Hello class, in this video I'll be showing you how Venn diagrams can be used to determine the number of elements in a set. Let's begin. And before we get on with the problem, you may remember from a previous video I talked about the number of elements in a set. So n of A is the number of elements in set A. So if A is equal to the set square, triangle, circle, then n of A is equal to 3. All right, so let's read the problem here. And it says, a survey of 400 people was conducted about what color car they like. The results were as follows. 214 people like red. 142 people like concrete gray. And 100 people like concrete gray and red. So what I've done over here on the left is I've defined all of the sets. So we have set A being the set of all people who like red. Set B is the set of all people who like concrete gray. And A intersect B is the set of all people who like concrete gray and red. So over here to the right, I'm going to write out the number of elements. So n of A is equal to 214. N of B is equal to 142. And n of A intersect B is equal to 100. All right, so what is the question that we want to answer? Well, the question is how many people like red or concrete gray? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by entering this 100 into the Venn diagram. And I can do that really easily because the intersection of A and B is where the two circles overlap. So the number of people that like both concrete gray and red is 100, and that goes right in the middle. All right, so how about the number of people that like concrete gray? Well, this section that I'm highlighting in gray this section is the set of all people who like concrete gray only. That is the only color they like. So we know from the information given that 142 people like concrete gray and 100 like both. And so that leaves 42 people that like concrete gray only. All right, on to red. What does this section here represent that I'm outlining in red? Well, this section is the set of all people who like red only. So the only color they like is red. And we know from the information given that 214 people like red, 100 people liked both red and concrete gray, so that leaves 114 people that liked both. All right, so now we're ready to answer the question, how many people liked red or concrete gray? So that's n of A union B. And we can determine that value by adding those three numbers together. So that'll be 114 plus 100 plus 42, which will equal 256. Now, we could have done this problem a different way. In a previous video, I showed you that the number of elements in the union of A and B is equal to the number of elements in A plus the number of elements in B minus the number of elements in the intersection. So that can be done by taking 214, adding 142, and subtracting 100. And you will get the same answer of 256. Okay, on to the next question. How many people didn't like gray? So we're looking for the number of elements in B's complement. All right, so let's take a look at this diagram here. So notice that there are 114 people that only liked red, so they didn't like gray. The rest of the 100 people and the 42 people, they liked gray. Now, what about those people that didn't like both? They didn't like red or they didn't like gray. They didn't like either color. How are we going to figure that out? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to take these 400 people here, and we're going to subtract 114, 100, and 42. And that number is 144. 144 is the number of people who did not like either color. So the number of people who did not like gray is going to equal 114 plus 144, which will equal 258. Okay, and the last question. How many people liked red or gray, but not both? So this can be found by taking 114 and adding it to 42. So this here will be 114 plus 42, which will equal 156. And we are done.